Now, I'll explain one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This problem is dealing with factorial. It is nothing. Suppose I am asking you to find out 3 factorial. You have to write down in descending order 3 into and multiply 3 into 2 into 1. Then if it is 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. After multiplication I got it as 120. We will see the question first. If 1 into 2 into 3 up to n is denoted by n factorial, here itself the definition is given. Then 8 factorial minus 7 factorial minus 6 factorial is equal to dash. That is the question. 4 options are given. See, first one is 8 factorial. I have written. Then 7 factorial minus 6 factorial. We have one formula. N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 factorial. We can write like that. We will get the same value only. So, I am writing first. 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Because here what is the least factorial? 6 factorial only. So, till that factorial I am expanding this. 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Then 7 factorial is equal to 7 into 6 factorial. Then last one is 6 factorial only I wrote. Now I am substituting here. Instead of 8 factorial I wrote 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Instead of 7 factorial I am writing 7 into 6 factorial. Now 6 factorial is common for all the 3. I am taking it as common. What will be here? Remaining 8 into 7 I wrote. Then 7 factorial, 7 only, then 1 only, because 6 factorial I have taken outside now, so 1 only will be there. 8 7s are 56, 56 minus 8 is 48. See, 6 factorial into 48. But what is the options given here? 48 is not there. Here we got 6 factorial into 48. But the options are in multiplication form only. So what is 48? 6 8s are 48, no. So which option is correct? 6 into 8 into 6 factorial. Option C is correct.